I made this cute Winnie the Pooh gender reveal shirt, and in this video, I am going to be showing you all how I did it. I do apologize in the beginning. I was recording with CapCut, but CapCut ended up messing up on me, so I had to start over using my regular screen recording. So this design is going to be a center print design. Um, which means that it's going to go on the center of the shirt and not be all over. I was using Etsy, Google, and Pinterest to kind of give me some ideas or inspiration on what I was going for. So I did choose to go with pink or blue. At first, I was going to do what will it be? What will baby be? But then I remembered that I needed to add the name of the individual. So like grandpa, grandma, etc. So it was pink or blue, what will baby be? And then I changed it to pink or blue, grandpa to be. So yeah, so when it comes down to center print designs, you can honestly do your design how big you want as far as on the center. Typically, I will keep mine between the range of 13 by 19 because that is the size paper that I will use unless I am doing a gang sheet of the same design or whatever, a gang sheet of center prints. Then I will use my big heat press. So with that, I went ahead and also used the website called Text Studio to get my text to look like 3D in a sense. And I absolutely love this feature. I am a Photoshop girl, so I can do like all of the 3D effects in Photoshop, but I can't necessarily do it in Canva. So thank God for the person who created Tech Studio because that has saved me a whole bunch of time. I don't have to think too hard about the effects of my text, so I absolutely love it. And then thankfully, I can change the colors and so forth in Canva. You will see within the video, within like the next few minutes, I will add, um, like, I don't like for if you look at what a grass is, I don't like to have straight lines on my designs. I absolutely hate it. So I will add some white gradient in here. And I did get this Winnie the Pooh from Etsy. I downloaded it was like 120 pack of Winnie the Pooh PNGs. So I got that from there. And then obviously I added, literally, I'm only using the one Winnie the Pooh picture, which is the one in the center. And then I switched. I did use the bumblebees as well, but I didn't like the ones that they came with. So I added the ones from Canva. What else? Um, yeah, so I am thinking about y'all know, I know, pretty sure a lot of y'all know Constant and how he have Mafia-thon. I think that I want to do that for t-shirts. I want to stream every day for the next 30 days, me making a t-shirt in some way. So if y'all have any questions about something that you want to see, leave the link. I'm not leave the link. Leave your questions below and I will create a video for it. Sometimes it's kind of hard for me to randomly create a video. But if I have something to work with, then it makes it a lot easier for me. Also, I do want to throw out there as well, if you are a beginner to sublimation, whether you're a beginner or you've been in the game for a while and you are needing printouts, I do printouts. So if you are a beginner and let's say you're trying to do sublimation, but you don't have the printer, you don't have the EcoTank 8550, nor do you have a big printer, that's okay. Don't give up because you're just starting, and I think that it would be very helpful if you were to get your printouts from somebody that really knows what they're doing, just so that you can know that you can do it, if that makes sense. So the only thing that you'll need to purchase is a heat press. You can go on Amazon and you can get a heat press. If you go to the link below where I have my website, it will take you directly to the heat press that I have. The one that I have on there is 16 by 20. That one is it's like $300, but they do have a 15 by 15 printer heat press. That's what I started out with originally. They have the 15 by 15 heat press for like, I'm gonna say 150, no more than 200. So that is a great investment that I would suggest that you can go ahead and buy. And then the actual printout itself, I only charge $5 for front only, and then $8 for front and back. And then if you're doing center prints, you'll put it on the size of a, you know what? That's going to be my next video, showing y'all how to do printouts, not just for myself, but for other people as well that may do printouts. Like, I want you to know how to set up your prints so that the person which is doing your printout, they're not having to go through the hassle of making any changes. They may not be like me, where if something doesn't look right, I'm going to let you know, hey, this doesn't look right. You should consider changing this, changing that, or I will also make the changes for you. But yeah, so that's that. And then, yeah, so I really do think that I want to do the t-shirt-a-thon. Maybe that's what I call it. I don't know what I call it necessarily, but we're going to go 30 days hard of making t-shirts. So I will figure out where I want to do the live stream, whether I want to do it on TikTok or if I want to do it on stream or do it on YouTube. I don't necessarily know. But all right, y'all. So I'm going to stop talking here. This is pretty much the end of the design. I know that I kind of chopped and screwed some of it. That's because it took me like 30 minutes to come up with this design. So I didn't need to include everything in this video, but you pretty much got the gist of everything. Oh, and right here, I was thinking about just doing the Pooh. He's so cute, Pooh with him eating the honey, but I was like, nah, I like all of them on there. So that's why I chose this one. But in the end here, you will also see me putting it on a mock-up. I like to use Photoshop for my mock-up. I haven't really found a good mock-up to use on Canva that looks like the one on Photoshop. And then I'm able to insert the image into the shirt so that kind of looks like it's in the shirt. So yeah, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all tomorrow because we're gonna start this t-shirt-a-thon today. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure that your post notifications are turned on. And I love y'all. Bye.